Once again, my friends, I'm happy to announce to us that KuCoin is listing another token, but there is a problem somewhere.
Excuse me, boss. You have a text.
There's a problem somewhere. The problem is where to get this token. But follow me through. Let's just head straight to the announcement. This is the announcement that was made by KuCoin today, though it's coming a bit late. So I'm going to drop more of this in the description box below for you to follow through. Now let's head straight to CoinMarketCap. In search for the right address for this token or where you can actually buy it, but because I couldn't get it, I was just seeing something else selected, so I tried looking for the exact name. Their logo is not the same as it is, and also in the ranking is also different. So I don't know. This is the current price of this token. They're looking at the current the name is not tallying, and also the logo is not tallying with what I have. So now the question is, where else can we buy this token? That also took me to CoinGecko, where I also searched for the same token. I searched for it. I did not get that. Let me type it in here. I did not get any result for that. I didn't get any result for that. Instead, I got a different result. Sorry, let me paste. What's happening here, friends? Just a minute. So while this is coming up, I will encourage us to subscribe to our channel. I'll also drop a link to our Telegram group for you to join and be part of the communities. Maybe you have questions you want to ask, it's fine. So here I couldn't get any result concerning this token here on CoinGecko. Now let's go to their Telegram group. I was able to come across a Telegram group. I also searched on this other app called CoinCodex. It gives you list of coins and the exchanges and where you can buy. But let's just head straight to Telegram group to see where we can actually buy this token. Where we can actually buy this token. I joined their Telegram group here. This is their actual Telegram group. You can join the Telegram group. I also try to drop a link to the Telegram groups for you to also do your own research. Maybe ask the admin about the contract address so that you can buy and deposit into the exchange. So I would like to stop here for now. Do well to subscribe to my channel as I'm making this consistent effort to give us updated information as it comes. Also check on the description box for you to be part of the community online. Thank you so much, as I look forward to seeing you in the other side of the internet.